Hello, I'm Lindsay Price,
And I am Laramie Dean,
and we would like to welcome you to our series called
calling all theater teachers.
All Theater Teachers. That's right. In this series, we are answering questions received from drama teachers all about stepping into a theater program. Here's today's question. What should be my first unit with a beginner drama class? Where should I start? First unit. Okay, so this is after you've done your ensemble building and your name learning. Where do you start with curriculum, Laramie?
I teach them right away that we have three actor tools: the body, the voice, and the imagination. You don't use the body all the time, you don't use the voice all the time, but you're going to use them a lot of the time. So, the very first thing I do after introducing that concept is we do a little unit on the voice. So, start by giving them sentences and in different situations, and they just say usually it's hello or goodbye, like say hello as if your best friend were leaving forever, living on a long trip. You turn the corner and you run into your worst enemy. How do you say hello? And then they go around and they just make choices, which also introduces them to choice making as well, which I hit over and over and over and over again.
You know
I
what's
think
really interesting, Laramie, is about how simple it is. Is that we're not talking about voice from a professional acting perspective of here's a whole bunch of text, here's a whole bunch of complicated breathing and trills and warm-ups. It's literally let's talk about all the different ways to say hello. So
to
that
say
must
hello.
that must that must soothe some anxiety from your beginner actors.
I think so. Why I know so. I've been doing it for 20 years. Yeah, definitely. And it just shows them how simple it can be. It doesn't have to be a giant Shakespearean soliloquy. I mean, if you want to start that way, fine, but it doesn't have to be. And I think it does soothe them a little bit.
Thank you,
Shows them
Laramie.
they too can do this as well. Thank you, Lindsay.